All right, body. Let's get back in shape.
Hey Tip Bitches, I'm Rob, and this is On the Cheap Tip, and today is
Suck It Up Sunday.
A time where you suck it up and realize that it's time to work on that summer body. Because we've been cooped up in the house all winter and just eating our asses off. Well, not eating our asses off, because if we could do that, then maybe we wouldn't have the extra junk in the trunk. So that's a bad analogy. Let's just say we aren't bathing suit ready yet. I don't want to have to wear a two-piece bikini just to hold the man boobs up. It's a thing. Now, a few years back, I made a video on how I lost 30 pounds in 1 month. And if you haven't seen that video, you can click above and check it out. And in that video, I give you examples of what I ate every day to help me lose weight. Now, ever since I've done that video, people have asked me to make more videos like this. And I figure, why not? It will not only help motivate me to eat better, but I also don't eat meat anymore. So this is a perfect time to give you some meatless weight loss options. So today, I'm going to show you what I eat in a typical day to help me lose weight and maintain my weight loss. So let's get started. Now, usually before I start any kind of weight loss journey, I like to begin with a JUMPSTART diet, like how I lost 5 pounds in 1 day. Have you seen that video? You can click above and check it out. A diet that's mainly gonna help me lose a few inches to help motivate me to continue on a healthier path. And then to maintain that weight, I start eating a more healthier, balanced diet consisting of more whole foods and less processed foods, sugars, so no more soda. I love soda, but it's gotta go. Sorry about it. Now, a typical day of eating for me usually consists of 6 meals throughout the day. This is going to help keep me full and balanced so I'm not overeating or snacking in between. I usually start my day by eating breakfast within the first hour that I wake up, because that's really gonna help jumpstart your metabolism for the day. Complex carbs such as oatmeal. Oatmeal is great because it keeps you full and it's low in calories. I like to put 2 tablespoons of natural peanut butter into it just for added protein, and it's really good too. So I don't know if that's appeasing to you, but if you don't like peanut butter, you could always use agave nectar, just something to just make it a little tastier. Then I like to have some fruit or some natural fruit juice, get some good antioxidants in your system. And then always water. Water is something that I will be drinking even if I don't mention it throughout the day, because water is just really great for you in general. It's gonna rehydrate you, it's gonna keep you full, and it's a great way to aid your body in weight loss. Now, for those who like to drink coffee, yeah, sure, you can drink some coffee. I just would go a little bit lighter on the milk and sugar. I like to use almond milk and raw honey. You're not only getting extra protein from the almond milk, but the honey is a natural fat burner, so why not? Every little bit counts. The next meal I have is my mid-morning snack. Now, this is usually some sort of fruit like a banana or some berries. I like to try to eat all of my sugars and things in the morning, so it gives me kind of an energy boost throughout the day. Then you'll start to see that I start to cut back on the sugars as it becomes later. Now, lunchtime always usually consists of a nice big salad. This is where I get the majority of my vegetable servings for the day. And I usually make a salad that's full of leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and some almonds for protein. I also like to use a hummus in place of my dressing. This is another added boost of protein, and it also gives it that like creamy dressing texture without being high-fat dressing. The next meal we're going to have is our midday snack. Now, this usually consists of some type of nuts. I like almonds, or maybe some hummus and pretzel chips. You could also do hummus and vegetables. It's a really great way to just get some more vegetables in the middle of your day. The next meal we have is dinner, and I usually eat something that consists of a grain, a protein, and a vegetable. Even though I don't eat meat, I still eat fish, so I'm doing sauteed shrimp and broccoli in olive oil and garlic. Olive oil is a monounsaturated fat, which helps to burn other fats, and garlic is just known to help for weight loss. And I'm also having brown rice. Now, you might be saying, Rob, that's not brown rice, it looks yellow. Well, this is a Spanish-styled brown rice. A lot of people think just because they're eating healthy that they have to sacrifice taste, but no, guys, you can actually season your food. I encourage it. Most seasonings, aside from salt, are actually pretty good for you and packed with like nutrients and vitamins and antioxidants. So why not add some seasoning and make it tastier? Make your life worth living. And finally, we have our evening snack. At this time, I do get a little bit of a sweet tooth, but I don't like to eat too much sugar before I'm going to bed because I like to sleep and not be jumping off the walls. I usually go for a natural fruit ice pop. You could even actually make this kind of ice pop yourself. You just puree some strawberries, put them in the freezer, and ice pop away. If not that, maybe a non-fat fruit yogurt. I try to get a lighter yogurt that doesn't contain a lot of sugar, that's more natural. So if you can try to go that route, it's not that bad. Or you could always go with the old favorite, dark chocolate. And if you watch my videos, you know that dark chocolate is actually pretty good for weight loss. So you eat your chocolate, you go to bed satisfied, and you're done for the day. And that's pretty much a whole day of eating for me. Eating like this really does help me feel full throughout the day. I'm eating whole foods that are nourishing and better processed in my body, and I'm eliminating most of the sugars and processed foods that, you know, really just turn into fat basically. Now for guys, I think you want to eat about 2,500 calories a day, and I think for women it's a little bit less. I personally don't count calories. I just make sure that I stick to serving size suggestions, and I also have portion bowls that I fill up, and that's as much as I eat. Portion is key. It really, really is. This, with a little bit of exercise in your life, the weight is just gonna melt right off. I guarantee it. Anyway, that's my whole tip video. I hope that you liked it. And if you did, make sure that you comment down below and let me know. And also make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that alarm button so you know when my next video goes live. And I'll see you next time. Bye! Serving sizing, eating it, everything. Eating a lot of stuff. Is that right? It'll help motivate me. It'll help motivate me. Help to motivate me to. It will. That was a hard one to go through.